car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video we are doing a clean with me, so I'm bringing you guys lots of cleaning motivation in this video. So if you have made that to-do list and you have several things to get done today, this is definitely the video for you, and I'm excited to take you guys along.
Wish I could sleep, dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls.
So as always, I'm starting off in the bedroom, just making the bed and then also tidying up, putting things back where they go. And then one thing I really wanted to do was unpack my makeup. So we went on a trip to Atlanta last weekend to see my sister. And so definitely should have already done this, but we're gonna go ahead and tackle this today. And then I also spilled some makeup when I was putting everything back. So I just went ahead and wiped down the top of this cabinetry, and then we're gonna move on to the bathroom next. Just a few things to do in the bathroom today. One is just to put several things back where they go. I also want to clean the countertop and then also clean the mirror. Something about always cleaning those two places in the bathroom just makes me feel a lot better, even if it's like not a deep clean day. So definitely want to get those two things done, and then we'll move on to the next room.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no.
So we're gonna move on to the shower next. I don't clean it, but I definitely straighten it up. A lot of the like body washes and face washes were everywhere in the shower, so I just sort of organized it a little bit. And then whenever I was organizing it, I noticed that the shower liner was getting pretty nasty. So I honestly had purchased one already from Target, but I was like, let me try to throw this in the wash before I get rid of it. And it definitely washed out. It didn't get like 100% clean, but you can definitely tell a huge difference. So we went ahead and put that one back on after washing it, and then I just have another shower liner for when it's time to throw it away. I wouldn't think you could wash the plastic ones, but if you have a cloth shower liner, I would definitely recommend washing it before trying to throw it away.
I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. No. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. No. Yeah.
So as you see, I had a little bit of laundry to do. It was just one pretty big load, so I just went ahead and threw all of that in there. And then I'm gonna straighten up the laundry room a little bit, and then we'll move on to the next space.
I would say
we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Yeah. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always comes to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's too hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me.
I also wanted to mention to you guys, I have purchased several new pieces, so I just wanted to talk to you guys about those for just a second. So I purchased the accent rug for the kitchen area. I also purchased some new decor for the guest bathroom / Eleni's bathroom, so I just wanted to elevate that space up a little bit. And then I also bought some decor to go over the couch. Now, I was waiting to put that decor up whenever we purchased our new sectional, because like I think I had mentioned a couple months ago that I definitely want to purchase a sectional, but it is a huge purchase, so I'm trying to pay off some debt, to be honest, before we make such a large purchase. So we're gonna go ahead and put it up anyway, just so it's just not sitting around, because it's a really nice 2 pieces of artwork that need to go above the couch, and I purchased those from Target. So I'm excited to show you guys a lot of the decor pieces. At one point in time, I was really into like boho, so I'm slowly transitioning out of that. I feel like our bedroom gives more of like this coastal vibe, and then Eleni's room gives more of like this princess vibe, which is definitely her. And then the living room area, I just want it to be modern, clean, mid-century, you know, all of the neutral colors, but then tie in some browns as well. So that's sort of what we're going for. I know sort of every room is different, but I love it that way. So just want to let you guys know that I do have lots of decorating videos coming soon. I'll probably tie it all in one video, to be honest, but yeah, so stay tuned for those videos.
Cry for me, oh Gloria, please don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Oh yeah, I would try not, yeah, to cry. Gloria, Gloria, please, when you pronounce my name, oh Gloria, please don't cry for me. Yeah.
With you there is trouble. It's hard to confide. You move my world round every time. Sprint you magic in. You belong with the fairies. No matter what I say.
Soon I'm climbing all 4 walls in my apartment. I can't spend another second with my brain.
So we are now in the guest bathroom / Eleni's bathroom. So I'm going to go ahead and clean the mirror, of course, and then wipe down the sink. I don't know if the mirror, you'll see me make that face, but it's because the mirror was definitely smudgy after wiping it. And then I noticed that I waited a few more minutes after I wiped it the second time and it cleared right up. I don't know what it is about this mirror, but the other mirror in our master bedroom doesn't do that. So it's just weird that this bathroom does that. But I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the countertops, and that's pretty much all I'm going to do in this bathroom. So I was just getting everything clean, nice and tidy in here.
Where'd you go, babe? Can't you see that I need company? I'm losing it, losing my way. Only get through when it's you plus me. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Honestly, can't you just call me? Where you at, where'd you go, babe? Let me fix my mistakes. Wish you could be here right now. Lay here by my side. All day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright. We gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way, yeah. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone, stand next to you. It's been a month since you've been gone.
So in Eleni's room, just needed to straighten up, make her bed, and then I never unpacked her clothes from vacation. And honestly, she's going somewhere tomorrow. She's going to her grandparents' house, so I needed to pack again. So I just took several of the clothes that we already had in her bag and put it on the bed so I would place it in her suitcase. So that's pretty much what I did there. That's why you see me putting some clothes on the bed and then some clothes in the dresser.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're out of tight. And you, I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through.
So it honestly has been a while since I pulled out my wet vac, but I have been obsessed with the old cedar mop. So I've just been sweeping and then or vacuuming and then using my old cedar mop. But today I just thought I would bring out the wet vac. So I love my wet vac as well. It's just one of those things that once I get obsessed with one thing, I'll use it until I get tired of it and then move on to the next thing. So but the last thing I'm going to tackle is I had pulled out some towels earlier when we were doing laundry. So I'm going to go ahead and fold those before I go and have to pick up Eleni. But if you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel.
You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend.
And you need it too. 'Cause I got you, and you got me too.
When mopping the floor in this area, I noticed that this window within the door was getting really dirty. So I just went ahead and took the time to wipe it down. So I'm going to wipe down the inside and the outside, and then I also wipe down around the knobs as well. So I definitely love this glass cleaner. I just purchased that glass cleaner from Target. It is so much better than the Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner. But like I say, all day, every day, I will always use the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray. But the glass cleaner from Target works miracles.
Go on and tell all your friends all about me. I don't give a nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon. I don't give an F, so go ahead and tell them I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. I'm not gonna play cool when you take me for a damn fool. I'm just so sick of it. Can't believe that I've been with someone like you. Don't forget I know your secrets too. In a minute I can spill the truth. 'Cause you'll never change, you'll always stay the same. Go on and tell your friends.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I hope it inspired you to get something done. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.